About 6 years ago, I purchased my first drone. I spent about $4,000 on a DJI Phantom, huge one. It was not regulated back at the time, and I remember the hype in the industry it created. The drones, everybody was saying that it's going to change the game, and sure enough, it did. I mean, it makes perfect sense. Nobody wants to go on the roof. It's dangerous. It's high. So technology keep developing, and today we're at Florida FRCA show. Just seeing few drone vendors here, and definitely gonna give them a spotlight because drones are still trending today. My friend, your name, company name, what you guys do, let's go over it.
My name is Bud Buxton. I own Aerial Visions.
Okay.
My history's as a roofing contractor. I'm no longer a roofing contractor.
So you've been a roofing contractor?
40 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I've done mainly commercial roofs all my life. And
okay. Very cool.
we got into drones in the latter part of it, and toward the end of my roofing career, we were into drones quite a bit. I continued on with the drones because the technology is amazing. It's a lot of fun.
So explain to me your service, what exactly you do today. I see thermal cameras, I see nice fancy drones. By the way, how much is that drone right there?
That's 30,000 plus.
Okay.
That equipment right there. That contains a FLIR thermal infrared scanner, as well as a digital camera next to it that also has a zoom lens on it too. And what we do is we provide the service to a contractor to fly over a building to detect where the heat loss is, and that would represent trapped moisture or wet insulation underneath a roof. And of course, a good roof needs to find where those wet materials are.
And then what you do, what the actual business model, what the service, what am I paying for? Am I paying for report?
Yes.
And is it like engineer report?
Yes, it is. It's a fully engineered report, and I'm a certified thermographer. And I'll explain to you with the pictures.
How does someone become certified what did you say?
Thermographer, meaning this science is thermography. FLIR is the leading infrared scanning company in the world, and they.
How did you get that certification?
I had to go to training at FLIR to become a level 1 thermographer, so I understand what all this is that we're looking at. This is a heat signature, and also
looks like Jason right there in the back has a lot of belly trapped fat. Is it fat? Is it thermography?
That's his shirt. Everything has a heat signature, including his beard and his mustache, and so it's the same concept with a roof. A dry areas cool off. We do this at dusk, and dry areas cool off at a different rate than wet areas, and that's what we're trying to detect.
Very cool.
Very accurate, and very useful technology for a roofing professional.
Mainly for commercial?
Primarily for commercial roofs, large roofs.
How much something like this cost, and how do we hire you?
It would cost approximately $2,500 unless it's really like an entire mall or something. It might be a little bit more, including the report. Okay. And if they were to call us up or hit us on our website, we can do it within a few days' notice.
Where do you operate? Where do you offer the service?
Pretty much all of Florida and all of Ohio.
Guys, comment below, like this video. Comment what you think about drone technology, terminal technology. What do you use? What do you recommend? What kind of setup you have? I want to hear from you. Comment away. Give it a like. For this gentleman, I'll see you guys in the next video.